Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We are given 6 species of birds, and which birds compete with each other. We are asked to construct a niche overlap graph for these birds. So, since we have 6 species of birds, we'll draw 6 vertices. So a hexagon is maybe a good choice for a shape. And then we were given that the 6 species of birds are the hermit thrush, the robin, the blue jay, the mockingbird, the nuthatch, and the hairy woodpecker. We're told that the hermit thrush competes with the robin and with the blue jay. So there's an edge between hermit thrush and robin, and an edge between hermit thrush and blue jay. We're told the robin competes with the mockingbird, and so there's an edge between the robin and the mockingbird. We're told the mockingbird competes with the blue jay. So there's an edge between the mockingbird and the blue jay. And we're told the nuthatch competes with the hairy woodpecker. So there's an edge between the nuthatch